Welcome to today's chatter, no frills tech news with the top 5 stories of the day. Today we talk about the AI product manager, Affirms buy now pay later success, Disney Plus ambitions, Europe's productivity leak, and designing AI interfaces. So without further ado, let's get into it. The AI product manager. 82% of AI PMs report that they are not confident in the accuracy of AI-powered insights. 3 use cases can drive up productivity for an AI-empowered product manager. Automate tasks, so reports, task templates, analyzing data, such as transcripts, and generating ideas, such as brainstorming. And the top PMs stand out by focusing on creating customer value, rather than just implementing trendy AI features, and designing the right workflow and interface. As one expert describes it, PMs should focus on using AI to enhance their work or as a bare foundation to help someone get up to speed. It is important, though, to remember that AI is a tool with real limitations, and it's up to the PM to use it efficiently. One critic says, if AI would be the perfect product manager, only startups founded by ChatGPT would win. So, like with every other skill, to achieve mastery, continuous learning is advised to keep up with the latest AI trends. So, like and subscribe for more. Affirm and the rise of buy now pay later. Affirm's latest earnings show a surge in revenue by 304%. The rapid growth and financial success demonstrate the increased popularity of buy now pay later. Buy now pay later offers consumer greater payment flexibility and control over their finances and can help businesses increase sales. Since their core business is doing really well, Affirm is now further expanding, such as to the UK. However, buy now pay later is a more expensive option than traditional credit cards, and the implications are sometimes, let's just say, not well understood. As one customer service rep shares on Reddit, if a payment is late, eventually it will be forwarded to collections, and it's gonna hurt your credit. But in the end, buy now pay later is here to stay. All major online retailers embrace the change and are now happy for consumers to take the risk. What is unclear, though, if Affirm or Apple or anyone else will eventually be the winning player in this market. Is Disney Plus flying too close to the sun? Disney Plus has reached 164 million global subscribers, surpassing Netflix 158. They have been able to finally capitalize on their precious IP to grow their subscriber base. But it is not clear how many of these subscribers are actually paying for the service. The streaming business, once deemed a lost cause, is now growing rapidly, and it's on track to reach 250 million users by next year. So that is their great ambition. And it is expected to finally become profitable in the next few quarters. On the flip side, though, profitability still seems somewhat elusive, while key competitors like Netflix are already profitable. And it will be hard for Disney to focus on their streaming unit, while the other business units are really struggling, like their theme parks, or really evaporating, like their linear TV business. So other pure play players, such as Netflix, will have an easier way of focusing. So with all that IP that Disney has, its margins should be competitive, but they're not. The fact they are not profitable indicates really structural flaws and a shaky foundation for future growth. 830 lives for cookie banners. Europeans lose 575 million hours annually, or 830 lifetimes, to cookie banners. Cookie banners are mandated in Europe. The goal is to inform a user on how the data is used on websites, and the user must given the option to opt in or opt out. So those are the really annoying banners that you see on every website popping up asking you to accept or not to accept. And in theory, this could protect users from intrusive tracking by large-scale ad networks. And it promotes transparency in online data practices. You as a user are able to read exactly what your data is used for. But users experience consent fatigue. If you're honest, we're just often accepting the terms without even reading them. And honestly, I'm guilty of that. Minimal impact on actual privacy is actually achieved, and many banners just comply legally. So, this law just doesn't work in practice, and a revision to the e-privacy directive is essential to balance user protection, such as just focusing on personal information shared, and economic efficiency. Let's design AI-first interfaces. Microsoft says AI-driven design systems could reduce manual user micromanagement by automating tasks, enhancing productivity exponentially. AI-first design systems promise adaptability, contextual understanding, and hybrid natural language interfaces to make human-computer collaboration seamless. These dynamic designs allow for personalization of the user experience of individuals, enhancing productivity. So in reality, this means that tools are adapted to every user. So whatever this user needs in terms of workflow, design, actions, the tool will change to exactly that, not more, not less. And this facilitates collaboration between human and machines as the tool really adapts to an individual's needs and the workflow, and it will be easier to use and more effective. However, these dynamic designs have high upfront cost for implementation and a dependency on robust data infrastructure. It is just simpler to give all the users just one option. And it risks of systems creating black boxes where users don't really understand that they can create confusion within organizations if every user is on a different tool. And so for the user interface evolution to be coherent within an organization, it must balance innovation, like just adding natural language search and action capabilities, with user comprehension, so a fixed set of actions and design templates.